Hey everyone, today, February 8th, is National Potato Lovers Day, and I'm going to be making an Italian classic, potato gnocchi served with the basil pesto. Now, gnocchi is most commonly known as potato form, however, it can be made with a variety of different ingredients, including spinach, beets, and pumpkin. The dish originated in northern Italy, which due to its colder climates, the area was known for heartier Italian foods, also including risotto and polenta. And while the classic potato gnocchi most likely originated in the 16th century, when travelers brought potatoes back from South America, it is believed that the dish dates back to Renaissance times, and possibly even further back than that, using ingredients like bread, milk, and ground almonds. Alright, let's cook. Alright, so let's start out with the pasta. Got a pot of boiling water here. Seasoned up with a little bit of salt, and I'm just going to be adding some russet potatoes, 2.5 pounds. We're going to cook this until it's nice and tender and mash it up. Okay, so the potatoes are done. I failed to mention, before you cook the potatoes, peel the skin off. So I got the skin off of these potatoes, so I'm just going to be mashing these up really well. Next, I'm going to let them cool and then form the dough. Okay, so while the potatoes are boiling, we're going to get started on the pesto. And in this food processor, I've got 2 cups of basil. I'll be adding 1/3 of a cup of grated parmesan, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds. Usually it comes with pine nuts, but this is what I got and it's a little bit cheaper. So what I'm going to be doing is just buzzing this all up together. And I'm going to be drizzling in 1/3 of a cup of olive oil as I go. So the extra virgin olive oil is added, all mixed together. Next, I'm adding a teaspoon of lemon juice, about 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, about 1/2 teaspoon of some freshly cracked black pepper. Okay, pesto's done. Make sure to give it a taste and just adjust the seasoning to however you like it. Next step's going to be forming the dough. I got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, my mashed potatoes, and 1 egg. So I'm just bringing this all together with a fork. And if I need to add more flour or anything like that, I'll add it after I got everything brought together. Next step's going to be cutting little lines out of this, and what I'm going to be doing here is rolling each one of these out into a rope shape. So the next step's going to be rolling the gnocchi with the back side of a fork to kind of give a little bit of an imprint. Alright, so next I'm going to be boiling the gnocchis. I'll be dropping it into this seasoned water. And once they float, I'm going to scoop it out and lay them on this sheet tray over here. Alright, so now I'm going to finish this up. Starting out with some yellow onions and some orange bell peppers. Next I'm adding some cherry tomatoes and zucchini. Next I'm going to add a little bit of butter. And I'm going to start adding my gnocchis. And last I'm going to add my Basil Pesto. And that's it. Thanks for watching.